So I've been pouring washer fluid wrong my entire life, and I recently made a short about this, and I got a lot of comments around different ways to pour, and I just wanted to come on here and discuss kind of some of those ways and the reasoning why I pour it this certain way and why I've been pouring it wrong my entire life. So generally speaking, most people want to pour a bottle this way. They can hang onto the handle, they can pour it out, or you can pour it from the side, and that's generally the consensus as to kind of the two ways that people want to pour. The reasoning that I want to pour it this other way is that you're not going to get quite the glooping.
Stop it. Get some help.
Or that air coming back into the bottle. So I'll give you guys a quick demonstration of what I'm talking about. When I'm pouring it the normal way, it's going to spill and it's going to want to gloop. You're getting air back into the bottle and it's just not quite as clean of a flow. You got the same thing from the side. Even with these bottles that you do have, it says it's like an easy side pour. So you can pour it from the side. And that works pretty good, and that's totally fine. But a lot of the bottles, they don't pour nearly that nicely, especially when it comes to like oil jugs and stuff like that. And I had a lot of comments around whether you can use a funnel or not. And you can definitely use a funnel, but most people, when they're doing washer fluid, it's generally on the fly. They're buying it from the gas station and they're just filling it up there. Because, you know, when you're out and you kind of need some, you just go to the gas station and pick some up. You generally don't have some stored at home. Some people do. But you can definitely use a funnel. That's totally fine. But you're still going to get the same problem with that air glooping in. But the reason that I was going the other way is that you pour it backwards and you're actually going to get that air. Let's get this funnel out of the way. You're actually going to have just a way better pour altogether. And it's just nice and smooth the entire time. And I find it way more controlled, and you're not going to spill nearly as much. So just a cool tip. I thought it was really cool. I like pouring it that way. If you guys think so, or you think I'm doing it wrong, let me know in the comments below. We'll see you next time.